Alright, it's 8 o'clock right now. I got 51 miles, and this is my fuel. I definitely got fucked on fuel tonight. It's a Blizzard. Look at this shit. Oh my god, Blizzard 2014. Everybody's gonna get stuck out here like that douchebag. Oh shit. This is fucking fun. Well, if I die in this shit, everybody at home, I love you guys. You know who you are. Cosmo, I love you, Beagle. You're my favorite Beagle in the whole world.
51, she's coming out. Go back over to that 10 Washington, she's coming out.
Stupid son of a bitch. It's fucked up my whole shit. Alright. I'm taking this corner. This is what we gotta deal with, Yellow Cab, New Bedford. This shit. And I need to piss so bad, but I don't know where I'm gonna piss. I'm fucked right now. Well, till next time. Peace.